Hi there, I thought I'd share something with you today for all those creative people out there. So I started my career in the early 90s, okay? Now, back then, being a creative person, people sort of frowned upon someone that was very creative. It was like, you've got to go to varsity, you've got to get a degree. And yeah, I was this creative person. All I wanted to do was to be an artist and to paint and to be a fashion designer with the entire creative energy that was just bursting to come out of my own seams, literally. Now, I took my creativity and I turned it into a career. I've been a designer since the age of 19. My first collection was at 19 when I was still a student. I resigned at 26, started my own fashion business, and I have traveled, I've bought properties, I've really enjoyed and loved my life. And it's all thanks so much to my creativity, and I believed in myself to take this creativity that I've been blessed with and to turn it into, products, into services, as well as developing and learning new skills along the way to become the best version of myself. And it's just all about being creative. You can do it too. So for those creative people out there, don't give up. This is the perfect time for you to think and perhaps plan about starting your own creative business for the future, because you are in control of your own destiny and you can be your own boss. This is Tania Sutherland, and all I can say is you go out there and you make it happen. Rock it. Just absolutely rock it. Love you guys.